Let us know about the input and output components of the IoT kit. The automation technology around us involves both digital input-output and analog input-output. They are commonly used for microcontroller and machine learning such as programmable logic controller (PLC) and distributed control system (DCS). The PLC receives and processes input data and produces its output depending on the program line. Input device. An input device is a piece of equipment used to provide data and control signals to an information processing system. There are two types of input: analog and digital. Analog input. Analog input have the possibility to measure the applied voltage dynamically, and assign a discrete number to the measured value, using an analog to digital signal converter that is ADC. This is very useful to acquire data from a wide range of sensors, capable of conveying the information as output voltage, or simply using a variable resistor. Digital input. Digital input uses digital data which are binary numbers 0 and 1. These 0 and 1 are basically voltage values. The 0 represents 0 volt or no voltage input. The 1 represents there is voltage input. To achieve this, we can use sensors, switches, or push buttons to connect or disconnect the voltage source's path. Since we only have 0 and 1, it means they can only be used for on and off. Output. An output device is a hardware component that connects to a primary device, such as microcontrollers, and transforms received data from the processing unit into a human perceptible form that users can understand and use. Outputs are exposed as pins, and can also be serial or parallel, and analog or digital. The input device includes 8-channel switches, analog inputs, 2-channel variable resistors and LM35. 4-key switch input, 4x4 matrix keypad, RFID reader, RTC real-time clock, EEPROM easily erasable programmable read-only memory, IR sensor, touch switch, light sensor LDR, fire sensor, moisture sensor, sound sensor, IR receiver and PIR sensor. The output devices are LCD, RGB LED, OLED display, 8-channel LEDs, 7-segment LED, 5-volt buzzer, relay driver, motor driver,